YouTube. G shot it back again with another do it your damn self video. Check this out. Have you ever just walked outside? You got a wooden deck patio and you seen sawdust every damn well? Let me show you. Perfect example. You see this? That was sawdust.
Oh no.
That was sawdust down there. I cleaned it up. It could only be one damn thing that's making that sawdust. That's the damn carpenter bee.
When they dig a nest, they bore in about the length of their body.
That's a big ass bee.
Inside, the female carves out separate rooms.
Bitch, didn't nobody tell you you could move in?
Carpenter bee eggs can be more than half an inch long. The female provides the eggs with nectar.
And you having babies too?
So the larvae have something to eat the moment they hatch.
Ain't gonna be no hatching round here. About to be some funeral bells ringing. So on today, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of them black son of a damn bees from eating up all your good wood. Come with me. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you my way. Cause I know it's 1,000 videos out there that tell you how to get rid of carpenter bees. But today, you're about to watch how I get rid of carpenter bees. Come with me. First thing you got to do is stop standing there, scratching your head. I just told you what it was. If you see sawdust on your good wood, it's some damn carpenter bees. So get off your ass and go to your nearest Home Depot or wherever you buy your house goods from. Now, I'm gonna save you some time. When you go in your local Home Depot store, go to aisle 46 and pick this up right here. Get you some carpenter spray. It turns into foam. You're gonna need it. This is how much it costs. So it's no excuse. $6.97. That's your first item. Now your next item will be on aisle 4, row 20. Go and get yourself some steel wool. Now when you come in here, your steel wool would probably be at the bottom. And this is the one you want to get right here. Grade 0. See, it's soft. So it'll go inside the hole and you can tear it apart. Get this. See how much it costs? $4.98. Don't act like I never told you. Now when you next item you're gonna need is your wood filler. You can find that on aisle 2 between row 24 and row 26. And this is all you need right here. A little small container. Because the holes only the size of a dime, but they're deep. But you're gonna need this to fill that hole in so you can repaint that son of a. It keep them dumbass bees from eating up your good wood. Now that you have your items to fix this problem, let's go home and get dirty. Get your knee pads out, get your black gloves, and get your screwdriver, because that's all you're gonna need, those two things. No, and you might need a mask, because if you're spraying, well, you outside, but get a mask anyway. Put the damn mask on your face, just in case the foam wanna splatter in your eye. Put on some damn goggles too. So let's go to work. Just spray that in the hole. You ain't need that much. Just pull some off. Oh shit, it won't let you tear it. Yeah, just tear it off. Tear the corner. That's probably too much. And just stuff it in the hole. I wish I could film it, but I can't see it. Nope. It's in the hole. Shit, I can't even see that shit. There's one more over here. Same thing. You gotta find it. I know it's right in here. It's right in here, because that's what the dust is. That's the deep one. Alright, spray that shit in there. Alright, that's a done deal. I tried my best to show y'all everything as we was doing it, but it's at such a weird angle, I couldn't show you. But as you can see here, the wood filler done dried up on both sides, but the angle's so crazy, man, you can't really see it. But anyway, if this your first time checking out my channel, hit the like and subscribe button and follow me for more content. And I hope whoever out there having this problem, I gave you some kind of help. You ain't got to call nobody. You can do it yourself.